സാറേ ആരാ వந்திరికిన നോക്കിയേ
ആരടാ
സാർ നോക്ക്.
ఓకే సో అందరికి నమస్కారం. ఈ రోజు మనతో పాటు మన పల్లిచట్టంబి సినిమా టీం
നമ്മളെയാണല്ലോ മച്ചമ്പി.
నౌ యూ విల్ టెల్ మీ ద మీనింగ్స్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ తెలుగు వర్డ్స్ దట్ ఐ యామ్ టెల్లింగ్. యు విల్ ట్రై టు గెస్.
മയിര് പണിയായി.
వాట్ ఇస్ తుళ్ళి?
Tulli. What drop?
Malayalam also there is tulli. Is it the same?
You mean that rain drops? No. Wrong answer.
Malayalam there is one more tulli. Tulluga.
Jump.
Jump.
Correct answer.
ഇല്ല ഇതിലെന്തോ ചതിയുണ്ട്. നിങ്ങൾ കള്ളം പറയാണ്.
Oh, so
Very
yeah,
good.
who is noting down the marks?
Yeah, marks. 1 point to Tovino. 1 point to Tovino.
ആരാണ് കളിക്കണത് അവർക്ക് അറിഞ്ഞുകൂടാ.
Okay, ready? മള്ളി.
Malli.
അർത്ഥം അണിഞ്ഞൂടാതെ ഒന്നും പണയല്ലേ.
Is it the Malli poo or Malli the?
No, that. Nobody gets points. Malli is again.
Again. 0
But you
1
didn't know the
0.
meaning.
0 1 0.
0 1 0. Okay. Next. Pallu. Pallu. No, pallu.
സുശീല
I'll give you clue.
Okay.
It is something edible. Is it the sweet? No, not sweet. Last 10 seconds.
Tomato.
No, not tomato.
Potato.
അതല്ല ഉദ്ദേശം.
Pallu. Is it a vegetable? No. Time up.
Fruits.
Right answer. Because I said.
എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്? കോശി ഇത് നീ തന്നെയാ, നിനക്ക് ഇത്ര ബുദ്ധിയാ? ഇതൊക്കെ എന്ത്?
0 2 0. Kallu.
Kallu.
Kallu. It's actually looking at me. Face. Eyes.
In Malayalam it's kannu.
Kanna. This is kallu.
Kallu.
എന്റെ കാര്യം ആലോചിച്ചിട്ട് ചിരിയും വരുന്നുണ്ട്, കരച്ചിലും വരുന്നുണ്ട്.
Gudlu. Gudlu like this. I'll tell you, it is good in proteins. Is it vegetable?
Eggs.
Fruit. Right answer.
Yeah, egg is a very good source of protein. So that's how I connected and thought.
ഞാനൊരു വലിയ സംഭവം അല്ലേ?
Tovino. సంభాషించుకును ട്ടോ. Tovino గెలిచేశారు. Congratulations Tovino.
It's okay, don't make it a big thing.
ഞാനിവിടെ നിന്ന് ഡയലോഗ് പറഞ്ഞാൽ കരഞ്ഞു. ഉസ്മാനെ രക്ഷപ്പെട്ടു.